Hello guys, in this video I will show you top 30 tips and tricks for Moto G4 and G4 Plus in Nougat update. So let's get started. Emergency information lets you add information such as name, blood type, allergies and an emergency contact so that emergency responder can view this information through your device lock screen. To add or edit emergency information, open settings from the app tray, scroll down to user, then tap on emergency information. In Android Nougat, not only can you change the font size but also the size of display element like icon and images. To adjust the size of your display element, open settings from the app tray and tap on display. Then scroll down and select display size. Android Nougat comes with an improved DOS mode. Now, your device goes into lower power usage when you are not using it and the screen is off even if you are on the move. Assist user with hearing loss in one ear by combining stereo left and right channel output to the single mono stream. To turn mono audio on, open settings from the app tray, then go to accessibility and scroll down until you find mono audio switch. Multitasking on your phone just got even easier. Double tap the reset tab button to switch between your two most recently used apps. Android Nougat support multi-window view, so you can run two apps side by side on your screen. For example, reply to a text message while watching a video or browse the internet during a video call. Activate multi-window view by long pressing on the overview or recent tab button while in a compatible app. Data Saver helps reduce mobile data usage. When Data Saver is on, application running in the background would not be able to access mobile data. An app that you are currently using can access data but may do so less frequently. You can also choose which app have unrestricted mobile data access. To turn Data Saver on, open settings from the app tray and go to data usage, then tap on Data Saver. To adjust data access for individual app, go to unrestricted data access. Android Nougat lets you quickly reply to message directly from the notification. When you receive a message, swipe the status bar down and tap reply on the message notification. Then type your message and send your response, all without opening the app, but it works on compatible applications. Get more information at a glance. In Android Nougat, multiple notifications from the same app are bundled together into a single notification group. Drag the status bar down and tap the group to expand it and see or take an action on individual notification. Bring your world to life with all new emojis, including redesigned human emoji with multiple skin tones. Allow the default phone app to block incoming calls. To set call screening, open the default dialer app, tap on the menu icon in the top right corner and select the settings, then go to call blocking. Moto have added a new Moto action to your phone. Swipe to shrink the screen. To learn more about this action, open the Moto app from the app tray, then go to action and swipe to shrink the screen. When activated, slide your finger from the outside to the center of the display to shrink the keyboard to about 4 inches. You can leave it in the center of the display, move it to the right or the left. Moto have added a new setting to disable and enable locking the screen when the screen is on and you touch the fingerprint sensor. To access this setting, open setting from the app tray, scroll down to security, then tap on the screen lock gear icon. Pick up the phone to make it stop ringing. This option can be activated by opening the Moto app and selecting Actions, followed by Pick up to stop ringing. This feature works when a mobile on ringing condition is picked up by hand. The autofocus capability of the G4 are pretty good. The G4 Plus has a definite advantage in this area. In either case, you can override autofocus and lock your focus quite easily. All you have to do is tap and hold on the subject and you will see the focus circle appear with a small padlock attached. The camera will then focus on a particular spot even if you move it around. How to capture a screenshot on your device. To capture the screenshot on your device, you need to press the power button along with the volume down button. The screenshot is captured and saved to the gallery on your device. Adaptive brightness is a handy feature which automatically dims or brightens the Moto G4 Plus screen depending on how well lit your environment is. Our Moto G4 handset had adaptive brightness turned off by default, and if yours does too, then we recommend turning it on for a more comfortable viewing experience and to extend your battery life too. In Moto G4 Plus keyboard, bringing a lot of new tweaks and features including one hand mode. You can access one hand mode from Google keyboard settings or adjust it on the fly by long pressing on the comma and swipe right. It's allow you to easily adjust the keyboard for left or right handed user in the keyboard settings. How to enable battery percentage. To turn this feature on in your device, you will need to enable System UI Tuner, which give you access to some hidden settings. Pull the notification shade down with two fingers to reveal this panel. Long press on this gear icon for a few seconds until it starts to spin. Release your finger and you should see a pop-up that tells you the System UI Tuner was enabled. Tap on the System UI Tuner option in the setting window that appears and accept the warning that pop up. On the System UI Tuner page, turn on Show Embedded Battery Percentage. Your battery icon will now display your level of charge at all times. You can control your phone with your voice. From the home screen, just saying OK Google to launch a voice search from the home screen. Now, you can control your device with voice command. For example, say OK Google, turn on flashlight. OK Google, turn off flashlight. You now have more control over notifications. Just press and hold on the notification to toggle the settings. You can silence or block further alerts from an app in the notification itself. Android Nougat lets you rearrange the quick setting styles so you can find your commonly used settings faster. Just swipe the status bar down with two fingers, then tap on Edit at the bottom of the quick setting panel. A new setting bar has been added at the top of the notification shade so you can conveniently access your quick settings when reading your alerts. Find the right setting faster with an update navigation menu in settings. Android Nougat give you meaningful suggestions for how to get more out of your device. Find them at the top of the setting menu. You can now have different wallpaper on your phone's home screen and lock screen. To set the wallpaper, long press on the empty space on your home screen, then tap on wallpaper. Once you have selected an image, tap Set Wallpaper. At the top of the screen, you will be prompted to set the selected wallpaper for the home screen, lock screen or both. Android backup coverage mode device settings in Android Nougat, including accessibility settings, runtime permission for apps, Wi-Fi hotspot settings, and Wi-Fi networks. Now you can configure accessibility feature from your phone during the setup tutorial. Set magnification gesture, font size, display size, and talkback right out of the box. Trusted Face improvements. Unlocking your phone with Trusted Face is easier than ever. Trusted Face, a part of Smart Lock, has a new facial recognition, which is less sensitive to conditions such as lighting, facial decoration, and how you hold your phone. Android Nougat will bring the Moto G4 Plus a new boot animation that is a little different than what it currently has. This animation was already disclosed on Motorola official Twitter account in mid-September. With Nougat, the G4 Plus boot up look like this.
Hello, Moto.
So that is it for this video. Hit the red subscribe button for more useful videos. Like and share these videos as much as you can, and I will see you in the next one.